guys, welcome back to another video. Now I'm bringing you all taste buds to Trinidad today. We're going to be doing the famous street food doubles, and in this we're going to be using some chickpeas and dal. I've been soaking the peas overnight, and I would recommend you do the same too. All right, let's bring it over to the pot to show you what to do. Quite a few persons are concerned because when they cook the chickpeas, it's not coming as soft as the one in the can. What you do, guys, if you're cooking your chickpeas and you realize it's not soft enough, continue cooking it. Even if you put it in the pressure cooker, please continue to cook it. What we're going to do is to get these at the desired softness for me, and then we continue, right? I'm using 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To this we're going to go in with our salt. You can give it a quick mix before you add your yeast. And also some turmeric. Now guys, this is very popular in my house. Like, we cook it time to time. I may tell you, say, even my neighbors enjoy this. So I'm recommending you guys to do it too and try it, and let me know if you like it. Very popular. You don't have to go anywhere to enjoy the food that all of these countries provide. You can try them yourself. And do remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now remember, this is not like how the persons in Trinidad will do it, but it's my way and I'm enjoying it and I'm sharing it with you. Now we're going to go in with our yeast. We're using 2 teaspoons of yeast with, let me give it a quick mix. And I want you to gradually add your water, warm water, okay? Make sure your hands are clean because you're going to use your hands to continue kneading the dough. You want to achieve like a soft enough dough, okay? Okay, after you have brought your dough in together like this, a nice soft dough, I want you to cover your dough and rest it for 1 hour. Just for you get the best out of your dough, you always have to rest it, alright? We're going to cover it now and put it in a warm place to rise. Then we return. Let's look at the peas now. Alright, we're going to just take the froth off it. Because my grandmother used to tell me this is the gassy part of the peas. We're not even halfway with the cooking of the peas, right? So I've added salt to it. What I'm going to do is to just go in with a little bit of baking soda. At this point, you can return the cover. Alright guys, so just stop in to show you again what's going on with the peas. It's not at the consistency that I want it to be, so I'm going to cook it down some more. It maybe need like about 15-20 minutes to go. Now listen guys, cooking it like this, it will take a time, but I deliberately do it like this so those of you who don't know how to really cook chickpeas can really know. If you're cooking it on the stove top in a regular pot and not a pressure cooker, it will take a longer time. And just be patient, be very patient. Some of these are cooked, but some of them are still a bit hard. So we're going to give it, like I said before, 15-20 minutes, and then we return. Alright? Alright guys, this is the final showing you how, right? We're at the texture that we like. Well, that I like. I'm not sure about you. I don't want it to be too soft, because when you finish cooking it, it's going to be too mushy, because remember we're going to curry it, right? So that's it. I prefer this texture. So what I want you to do to drain off the water, I don't want you to throw away the water because we're going to use it back. Alright? Okay guys, we are going to burn our curry. Just to release those flavors, right? You don't want to get it too dark. So as soon as the flavors start to come up, you want to add your onions, your garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm also going to go in with like 2 tablespoons of seasoning blend. And some of the chickpea water. Adding some salt. Of course, I can give it a taste to see if it's okay for you. It's a kick, guys. It's a kick. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to add in our chickpeas. You see how much we have there? It's my, like I tell you before, in my house, they love this, so I have to cook enough. I have to do a lot. So while this is cooking down, we're going to cover it and then we're going to start working on our doubles. Alright? Alright, our doubles dough has been risen and we're ready for it now. What we're going to do is to grease your hand. Right? We're also going to deflate it, bring it back into a nice little ball. What I want you to do too is to grease a little pan like this, because we're going to make them and put on it, right? May I tell you guys, oh, smell nice. Put this over here, so as we're done with that, we're going to make our doubles now. And remember, I've added 3.5 cups of flour. Can't go wrong with this, right? We want them to be nice and wide. You can just put it here on this tray there to make it go and relax until we're ready for it. So you want to repeat this with all of them, right? Guys, you know want to see the crowd behind the camera. And of course my neighbor come over here already and say she smells something really nice going down in the kitchen. They are super easy to make. Super easy. Woo! Yes guys! What you want to do now is to just use the back of your spoon and just crush out some of them. You can't even hold the pot so hot. So you want to just mash out some of them to give the gravy consistency, right? Now you want to make sure your oil is really hot because you don't want all of the oil absorbing at the doubles, right? So we're going to add them in now. As soon as they hit the pot, you try and turn them, right? And that's it, it's fried already. It don't take any time guys, I'm telling you. So easy. You can drain them off on a paper towel or a cookie tray. And if you want it to be brown, you can always make it stay a little longer. You would repeat this step with all of them guys. Alright guys, we are totally finished with everything now. Let me show you how it looks. So you know, so I'd have to go with the condiments and make some cucumber chutney and mango chutney. So look here now, look here. Jeez, woo! Can have it any way you like, you know guys. Any way you like. Alright? Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.